What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, guys? What's going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, guys, before I start with the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know next time when I drop a new video, you get notified. And we are on our road to 1K subscribers. Like, tell your friends to tell their friends to come and subscribe on my YouTube channel. So guys, I think I'm going to make like this video longer for today because it's been time since I've been posted. So like yeah, I'm going to analyze more pairs with you guys. So yeah, you know the vibes. So don't forget to like though and comment on the section below. So first thing first, what you have to do, we have to look at what our favorite pair, which is what DXY, the dollar index. So guys, here we are on a weekly time frame. So and this is our weekly time frame. This is our DXY. So on our weekly time frame, what you have to do, we mark our highest high and our lowest low of the structure. So now we have a possibility that the market might go up here after reject and start shooting down like down until this low here. So for now, let's see what are we going to find. So after we can go to, let me just do like this, we can go to daily on a daily time frame and see what's happening on a daily. So and the main thing, like, we have to focus on, sorry about this, we have to focus on the current price movement, like what's happening on the current price movement. So let me go, I don't see anything, let me go to 4 hour. And guys, remember, when you draw your trend lines, you don't have to what, you don't have to force anything. You don't have to what, you don't have to force anything. So guys, we are having our ascending structure on the 4 hour with first touch, first touch, second touch, and third touch. So now what we have to do, like, we have to go, so let's go to 2 hours or 1 hour maybe. So what we have to do, what we have to do, like, we have to wait for the market. Like, we had a push. Now we have to wait for the market to do what, to give us a correction. Then after that, we can start looking for what, we can start looking for sell opportunities. So like, this is the only way for us to what, this is the only way for us to start looking for sell positions when we find something like this. Like, yeah, so like, let me just remove this. Let me go to 1 hour or 15 minutes after this and see what's going to happen. Let me go to 1 hour. Okay, let me go to 15 minutes to see the structure proper. So on 15 minutes, this is the push that I was talking about. It's a push and a correction, then start looking forward for sell opportunities. So on 15 minutes, we are having something like, oops, sorry about this. So what's important here is that, like, after this correction, on this correction, like, we have to take like a risk entry. So you're going to look for sell opportunities here. and this is our structure. So the first low I see is this one, the current one. So I'll expect the market this week to come and give me short on this low. Come and give me short on this low. So I know, like, okay, so DXY might sell, meaning like we are not sure, might sell. So now what I'm going to expect sell on Usdcad and sell on Usdcad and buy on Euro USD, and another sell on Usdzar. So let's check another pair. So we know what's happening on the DXY. Our first pair will be DXY Usdzar. Sorry about this, about that, I mean. So on DXY, we are on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, so you're focusing here. This is our lowest low of the structure, and this is our highest high of the structure, and we're having important levels, which was this one around here. This level around here, like it's important level. What might happen on this level is that the market might come and break it below, give us a correction, and after correction start looking forward for sell opportunities. Let's go to 4 hour and see what do we find. Like, when you draw your patterns, you don't have to force anything, and you have to keep your analysis very simple and very clean. So if you don't find anything or any structure, like, you don't have to force any trades, you don't have to force trades, because like we don't have to trade every day. Like, we don't have to trade every day or whatever. So we have to keep things simple like this. So on 4 hour, we are having the structure. Let me go to 1 hour. So on 1 hour, what we have to wait for, like, we have to wait for the market to come and give us, we have to wait for the market to give us a push to the downside, a push and a correction, and that's when, like, okay, we can look for our sell opportunities around here. You take a risk entry. So like, okay, this is my risk entry, and my take profit is going to be here on the 90% rule of the 90% rule of the structure. So this is my USDs. So I have to, let me go to NZDCAD. I'm sorry about everything, guys. Like, can you all please bear with me, because it's been time ever since I've been uploading videos. So let's check on USDCAD. Go to the daily time frame. And so let me clear everything. So on USDCAD on a daily time frame, what you have to do, like, you mark your highest high. So which is this one. You mark your lowest low, which is this one. After you mark your important key levels of the structure, which is this one around here. So what might happen is that the market may push up and break below this the level, give us a what, give us a correction. After correction, then you can start what, you can start pushing to the downside. And also let's see what structure what can we find here. What can we find on our, let me go to 4 hours so that I don't force anything. If there's nothing here, I don't have to force anything or or do whatever or do whatever or do whatever. So apparently on this one I don't find anything. So what I have to do, just like I have to like I have to wait for it. Wait for the market to come. Either the market tests this level right here, give me a push and a correction. That's when I know, like, okay, I can start looking for what, I can start looking for my sell position around here. So like if there's something like this one around here, I don't have to force anything. We move to what, we move to the next pair. We move to the next pair. So we are going to look at indices. So I'll start first with what, I'll start first with what's this one, US30, aka US30, aka Dow Jones or Dow Jones or whatever. So yeah, so on a daily time frame, what you have to do, like whatever you do on currency pairs, same thing you do, same thing on what is it, indices. Our highest high, we have a low here, and we were having a what, another low around the zones around here. Let me go to 4 hour to see what's popping. To see what's popping. And remember, guys, when you draw your trend lines, you don't force anything. You don't force anything. Just go with the flow of the market. So this is the current. So basically, what might happen here, like the market might push above our important key level, give us a correction, and start shooting up, test this, and give us our dead touch before going down. So now let's go to 1 hour, because we know, okay, we might have in this type of structure. So when you go to 1 hour, when we go to 1 hour, when you go to 1 hour, let's see what do we find on 1 hour. So guys, so when we are having something, so we're having something like this, so what we have to do, like we have to like wait for today and see what's going to happen around this, around somewhere around here. So this might happen, the market might push above before it closes, push above, so we'll wait for a correction. That's when you know, like, okay, fine, we are good to go up. So if none of whatever I just said, it doesn't happen, like, okay, our trade will be what, our trade will be invalid. Remember, the market is imperfect, so everything will not always go accordingly. So yeah, whatever happens, you don't have to care. What you have to do, like, move to another pair. So the last one I'm going to do is US100, which is aka Nasdaq, aka US100. So guys, on a daily time frame on Nasdaq, you mark your highest high, you mark your lowest low of the structure. So what might happen here is that the market might come and push down and test this level around here before going to the upside. So now on Nasdaq, remember we are still in a downtrend or in a downward movement. So on Nasdaq, might have something like this. Let me go to 2 hour to see what's happening. So on Nasdaq, this is a 2 hour time frame. Just wait for the market to come and test this low around here. So let's see, we might have we might have a reversal pattern for buy. We buy. So like this is our Nasdaq. So guys, either we wait for the market to come around this level, maybe to this level, and push up, give us a correction and start shooting away and start shooting up. So for now, we have to wait for the market to come. For today, you just have to wait for the market to close and see like how does it close. Let me go to 15 minutes. If we find something, then yeah. So like if you don't find anything, it is cool. So apparently what's happening now, you can see we are already having a structure here. So yeah, the market is going to come down here, break our trend line, or come and test our structure and come back inside, start giving us a correction and move up. So like guys, I'm done with the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know next time when I drop a new video you get notified. And don't forget to tell a friend to tell their friend to come and subscribe on my YouTube channel. So like guys, let's take this channel to 1K subscribers. It's always Akelazi, the one and only, you know, the vibe system out now. And thank you for watching. Yeah, so